Vijay Surya, Mr. Vijay Surya, members at the head table including Dr. Hemachandra, committee members of the Imaras and SOCM, office bearers of the CMM, and ladies and gentlemen of the East West Group, parents and students. If I go back in the memory lane 40 years back, I was a student following marine engineering course at the University of Marodu. I also had the same hardships, not only me, including my batchmates, senior and juniors, because of the funds, because of the cash, because of the money. So we, somehow or other, we went through the hardships, and today we have come to some sort of a prosperous positions in this field. Actually, if I call one of the students during that period whom we have given some training at the power barge, he had only his mother, who was a day earner. We used to give him some sort of allowance. As soon as he got the allowance, he rushed home and give that money to his mother to survive. He used to sleep in the barge because he could not afford to have some accommodation outside. So those kind of students we have had not only from the ITM, whereas at the IET as well. So those are, I would say, more than 90% of the students are in that category. So it was the right time, it is the right time. Mr. Nahil Vijay Surya has come forward to donate or give some sort of scholarships, give some hands for you to carry out your studies without any issues or problems. As Mr. Napagala said, some students are leaving the course because of these financial issues. So we or Mr. Nahil Vijay Surya is trying to stop that part. So make use of that funds, whatever you are getting, for your studies, and continue your C career, and then become chief engineers. But as Mr. Napagala said, not forgetting the past. That is most important. Think who has funded you, think who has supported you in your career. And then, of course, you can join hands with us. Joining Imaras, joining SOCM, and then do something better for the community. That is our humble request. Unfortunately, sorry to say, we have not seen that part. So that's why I make this a platform for you to pass that message, keep it in mind, and then continue your studies. And Mr. Nahil just said, the pressure is whatever you learn, nothing else. Thank you, Mr. Nahil Vijay Surya, for funding this scholarship program. I would like to mention not only the scholarship program, he is also going to fund for our building project, a dedicated building for Imaras and the SOCM headquarters, which is going to be a huge sum of money. So I would like to mention that also, and thank you once again for that also. Last not least, my humble gratitude goes to Mr. Napagala and his team, because he has done Yaman's work, very good work, to organize this event. Not only organize this event, of course, right from the beginning, starting on the applications, and until we come to the stage today. And it was a dedication by the NAPA, because there's a saying like, if you give a job to NAPA, you don't have to look at that. He will do it to the top most. So with that, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.